The house she just entered doesn't look like an office. What it looks like a residential home.
Oh no, there's an office there.
Are you sure?
Oh yes, they actually know it's a cosmetic company. They're still setting up.
What's the name of the company?
I think it's what again? Beauty spot cosmetic. I think. Yeah.
That's entirely different from the name I saw the contract for.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah.
The beautiful one, the sophisticated one, sweetest of them all.
Hey! Do not ever touch me again. What is wrong with you? Did I ever tell you I was going to think about it? Did I?
See, let me tell you, IJ. I know you were in a bad mood that day. That's why I allowed you. But now I can see you're in a...
Stop hitting me like that. What is wrong with you? Is it because I haven't told your boss what you've been doing? I have my reasons why I haven't told him. So do not push me, because you will not like the outcome.
IJ. Me, I know you cannot tell my Oga. See, whatever happens behind closed doors, remain behind closed doors. Forget all this, your initial ground. IJ, me, I know that you like me.
Hey, can I be left alone?
Just like that. IJ, I love you. I love you. What's wrong with this guy?
Are you sure this guy is not mentally derailed? What is wrong with him? Yeah. Oh.
There's something I want you to do for me.
Okay.
Just go out there, eh?
Check if there's a gap. They will post. Please. Hurry.
There is one red card there. Oh, there's no problem.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
So, babe, what's up? They? Who are they?
Jeremy and his friend Humphrey.
Oh my God, Humphrey! Oh my God, my Humphrey, you mean?
Annie, can you just be serious for once?
Okay, hold on. See what you will do. Just call him on the phone and tell him you got the contract signed, okay?
To what end?
It's a way to consolidate your lies since they followed you. And once you call him and break the good news to him, he will believe you.
I think you're right. You know what? I'll call you once this is done.
Okay, darling. Just handle the situation, okay? One bad thing with lies is you need another fat lie to cover up the previous. I just hope this works.
Humphrey, I am not comfortable with the whole arrangement. I think we should go in there, find out for the management of the company if they are recruiting any new people.
Don't do that. That would be quite embarrassing. That's smart.
I'm not going to mention her name. Hello?
Hello, darling. Guess what?
What?
Just guess. Okay, you know what? The contract has been approved.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. I am coming home very soon so that we can celebrate.
All right.
Okay? See you soon, baby. I love you. Mwah.
What happened? What's up?
She said she got a deal.
Okay, so it means she's been telling the truth all along. Are we here?
Let's go.
You sure? We'll move.
Babe, you kept me waiting.
I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry, okay? So how did it go?
My dear,
It went well. You know, I had to cook up a celebration to consolidate the lives.
really?
So it worked perfectly.
Oh my
No,
God.
everything from the printing of the forms to the call confirming that I got the endorsement. Man, babe,
Baby, you are too much.
come on. That's how you treat suspicious men. Don't you know
concur.
that? Honestly, I
Come on.
concur. But babe, you know, something keeps baffling me. What? How did you come up with the idea of printing those forms?
Oh, my darling.
It's simple, okay? That's the only thing that he will see and believe that you're negotiating a contract. Okay? Annie.
Yeah, baby.
Annie,
Trust
you
me.
are too
Come on.
much.
Trust me.
Annie, I owe you one. I owe you one. Honestly, thank you so
What
much.
are friends for?
Aww.
Yeah.
My dear, please, I need to head home. I understand. Please. Okay? Annie, come
You are
on.
too much.
Come on.
I love your son, Mrs. Silo. But you have been shading him from me.
How could you say a thing like that?
I've tried severally to get to him through you, but I've refused to do the needful.
How exactly do you expect me to come in?
Just tell him about me. The rest will be history.
And you think telling him about you will make him marry you?
I didn't say so, but at least it will pave way for me.
Okay. I'll talk to him about you then, and I'll get back to you.
So, when are you getting back to me?
As soon as possible. Please tell me about your business trip.
Fine, but I want to explore other areas of business.
Really? Now you can have your drink. Please. So tell me, what is this area of business you're talking about?
My love, I thought you were home.
I went out to buy something.
Rejoice with me, my darling. It worked!
It's settled by the phone. Congratulations!
Thank you!
My beautiful wife!
Thank you!
You know what?
Mm-hmm.
This calls for celebration.
Yes. But before then, let us go to the other room
so that you can do the needful. You know, earlier today, you made me feel so honey.
Oh.
And I've been holding on to that. So come on.
Anything for you.
Let me go give you some sugar.
Anytime.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
You like it. I know you like it.
Of course. If not anything, for your sake, baby.
What's wrong with you now?
Because I know you want to gossip. What is it?
It's not gossip. Have you been observing that girl, Ijoma?
What kind of stupid question is that? I told you I know you want to gossip. What do you mean if I have been observing her? Have I not been observing her since she came to this house?
That is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that girl is not happy. Yes. Mm-hmm. If you look at her very well, you know that she's not happy. Maybe she's having issues with Oga.
That has been my prayer point. Yes.
The prayer point? So you are praying for your Oga not to be happy?
How?
Hey.
Andy, why are you trying to make me look as if I am a bad person here? I am not a bad person. Yes. That guy and me, I'm just catching my cruise.
Oh, you are catching your cruise. You are catching your cruise with something like this. Eh? So if Oga is your elder brother and he is not yet married at this age, you'll be catching cruise with him.
My guy, I know they told me. See, let me tell you. Oga's mom has finished work for Oga. Ijoma is a prayer point for all the whole men out there. I don't see the reason Oga don't want to comply. But if Oga fail to comply, you will touch me body. Okay? If you see where I am chasing that girl, you will dash me money. If I finish dealing with her, with a I am Bonangada. My friend, that girl will continue to call my name for the rest of her life. Yes, sir.
Polo.
Yeah?
Each time you open your mouth, I will know that you are very sick.
I'm very sick. Don't worry. You will understand very soon.
Yeah, come in.
What is this? What is going on here, John?
What else must I do? Tell me. I mean, what else must I do for you to begin to see me as a babe? A babe who is a babe by every meaning of the word.
Ijoma, listen. I'm going to be very candid with you. You're a great cook. Okay? I have come to trust you with what I eat. You're very good at cooking. And I'd like for you to just, focus. If you want to raise, I can make that possible, but you need to focus and concentrate on your job. Huh?
But how can I concentrate? I cannot concentrate because I'm not just a cook.
Well, you're not just a cook. If you're not a cook, then what then are you?
I know you're scared of going all out with me because you think I might betray you tomorrow. But I'm not like that. Listen, I vow to you on the sacredness of my womanhood that I will never do a thing like that. Never will I.
Okay, right. Yeah, he came in to reconcile what is Ijoma. Did you come here as a cook for me, or my mother placed you here for her own objectives?
Whatever that might be the case has been overtaken by the genuineness of my interest. Listen, Humphrey, I love you. Humphrey, I love you. I love you so much. And if you give me a chance, I will prove it to you.
My mother. You know what? That's enough. Okay, your time here is up. You have to go. Okay, get your things together and get out of my house. See that properly dressed or dressed this way. I am going to use my hands. Please. Out. Get out! Get out! Get out! Bloody slut! I get it. How my mother would stop at nothing! This is too much.
Polo.
Okay, shouting.
Maybe possibly shouting at Ijoma.
Why now?
And Ijoma and join. You just go back to the gate, eh? I'll go and find out.
Let us go and find out.
As what?
As the chief guard now.
Chief? Who are the chief to your name? My friend, Gate man.
Okay, I'm a security officer. What are you saying?
I
have office.
He just called me, okay.
Yeah, we'll go and find out now.
Let's go together.
Hello, son. You sound very angry. What is it? Okay, I'm coming in.
What just happened?
See, let me tell you, I don't know what has happened. But what is happening now is that babe, they enter my eye. Which kind of nonsense be that one?
I don't understand you. Which babe they enter your eyes?
Ijoma. See, let me tell you, Oga should be careful the way he's handling that girl. Because that babe will be the reason I will have issues with him.
Come on, now if you're not against so. Okay, if you're not against so. So you have started smoking in the daytime. In the daytime. Do you know that if Oga finally hears what you said right now, that you are leaving this house the next morning?
I wish God will make it possible. Jesus, will you make it possible this minute? What are you saying? If Oga fires me, I will accept it and I will live with the babe.
Can you make this boy here? Can you make this thing? If I So, upon all the women you have been firing, women are fired 24/7. Eh? In case Baraka not, you are not okay with them. You now want to be dragging a woman with Oga. Hi.
You know what? You are the wrongest person I should have this discussion with. Just the Jabena gate, Emmanuel. Go to the gate.
I should go to the gate.
Emergency a gate.
And mind the gate.
Yes.
Okay. But do you know that if Oga finally fires you, that you will live through that gate, and I will close the gate, and you will not come back again? See, let me tell you, if you leave this gate, I will close the gate, and you will not enter this compound again. Don't forget the gate, I will fire you.
Thank you. But make sure you open the gate for me and the girl, because I will not leave alone. Come, Mama, Ntangwa. Ntande Adainino.
The truth is that Humphrey doesn't want to get married to any woman.
Why?
He believes all women are the same.
But you know that's untrue. All women can never be the same.
But my wife is a typical example of all women are the same. Secondly, Humphrey is highly temperamental. He doesn't take shit from any woman. However, I will talk to him. Who knows? He might change his mind because of you.
I don't think there is any need for that. Don't worry. You don't need to talk to him again. Don't talk to him. It's not necessary.
Why?
I have changed my mind. Please, can we do without talking about this?
You are confusing me, my dear. You were the one who switched to him.
I know, but I've changed my mind. You know, sometimes we discover that some battles are not necessary, especially when you're fighting for what you have already.
You are still confusing me.
Please, can we quash this topic?
Oh God, when will you bless me with my own man? I need to settle down and prepare for the future. At this stage of my life, I am supposed to have at least 2 children. The pains of spending the night without a man I can call my own is killing me. Dear Lord, hear my prayers, please.
I am trying so hard to understand what you're saying.
What I am saying, Mother, is that I've had enough. Mother, I have tolerated enough. I've had it up to here, beyond my limits. You see that your candidate that you smuggled here as a cook, oh, she's been fired. I kicked her out of my house and nothing will bring her back here again. Nothing.
Son, do you know who Ijoma is?
Oh, who is she? Mother. No, who is she? I see a woman who's nothing but a loose, desperate woman. That's what I see. And I have no business with a character like that.
Son, you're judging her in a hurry. Ijoma is one babe with extraordinary quality. Just give her space to prove herself.
What? Oh, she had all the space and time that she needed. And she proved herself quite all right. To be a desperate bimbo. I have no space for people like that in my house. Mother, this is me respecting you and telling you the decision that I've made. If I see that idiot here again, I'll have her arrested.
Son, it hasn't gotten to that. What did she do that made you change your mind so fast? Don't get it called Messi. Get it Ijoma Messi.
I'm serious about what I'm saying. Annie, ever since I got to know you, I've never seen you fall for any man. So what's going on now? Change they say is constant. That is what is playing out. So, how do I come into this? Like, what do you want me to do? Lara, I don't want you to judge me, okay? I've taken serious time to think about this and I want to do this. Come on, Annie. I've never judged you and I won't even start now. Just tell me, what do you want me to do? Okay, I want you to help me talk to Humphrey. I'm in love with him. Annie? Yes. Are you for real? I am. You are serious? I am. Huh. Well, remember you promised not to judge me. I am not judging you, but... You're sure? I am. I am. Okay. Well, Humphrey and I don't talk regularly. But I'll talk to my husband, who is his best friend. Really? Mm-hmm. Thank you. You're welcome. That's why you're my friend. Listen. If it's in my power to cement both of you, I will do that without batting an eye. I know. Thank you so much. You're happy now? I am. You're sure? I am. Come on. So tell me, what do I offer you? Anything. Anything? I'm getting you dog head. Anything? Crazy.
Humphrey, that is the most unreasonable thing I've had in recent times. Moral decadence is on the rise. Trust me. A time has come when married women will keep boyfriends with the full knowledge of their husbands without their husbands saying a word.
That's the problem, women. You know, we live in a time where
Morality and sanity has been thrown to the dogs and sacrificed on the altar of jet age. Like, no one seems to be checkmating what's going on. No one cares. No one is talking about it. You know? And we're just living through it.
An uncensored generation. Now, where everyone do what pleases them without minding the adverse effect.
You know, funny enough, Jay, you see what we're talking about right here? You see this thing that we're frowning at? You find some people supporting and giving credence to what normal human beings would see as an abnormality. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Sure. I'm with you. Look, the bottom line here is that your mother brought that girl to your house for a reason. And believe me, she just implemented why she was brought to your house.
Is that so? Why would she do that?
She wants you to get married. Can't you understand?
She wants me to get married.
Of course.
By bringing a woman into my house to seduce me into getting married.
I'm afraid your mother can go to any length to get what she wants.
Come on, man, that's hogwash.
No,
not in this case. Listen, I know what I want. I will get for me what I want.
I left everything I was doing to answer your call.
You have always wanted my son, right?
Yes. All I need is your permission to grab him.
You have my permission. Go ahead.
Are you for real? Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh. Thank you so much. How?
Hey, baby. You're welcome. Fine. Just that I missed you.
I'm here now.
You know what?
Yeah, baby.
We go in there, take a shower, we'll eat, and then we'll end the rest of the day on our bed.
I know where you're heading to. And I like it when you sound this way. I see you, honey.
Okay. Annie came to look for you today.
Why?
Annie likes Humphrey and she wants you to talk to him on her behalf.
If I should do that, that would make her look so cheap to my friend. Don't you think so?
But sweetheart, this is Jet's age. This is Jet's age where anybody can do whatever he or she wants.
My love, living in a Jet age will not make us lose a sense of an African culture. Our African culture instills dignity in our women. And that will make them look so loose when they make an approach for a relationship to a man.
So, invariably, you're not going to talk to Humphrey on Annie's behalf.
Alright. I will do that for you.
You will? Thank you, darling. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're a darling. Thank you.
Oh, please. Don't make me do this a second time.
Agreed.
Let me go upstairs and shower, okay?
Okay. I'll be waiting. Love you.
Love you too, baby.
Oh my God, I need to hear this.
Wow. Behold the handsome pilot. The man of the people. The man that all the ladies have been falling in love with.
Lady Chelsea, that was not necessary. However, thanks for the encomium. I am indeed surprised to see you here. You know, my boys told me that you're here to see me, and here I am wondering why you're here.
You are my friend, and I came to see you. Wait, are you actually saying that you don't miss me?
Miss you. Chelsea, it's quite disturbing to find out that in spite of how far you've gone in life and all that you have attained as a businesswoman, you still allow my mother put you through this very laughable process. Why would you do this to yourself?
I don't actually understand what you mean by that. I came here on my own. And guess what? I'm here to spend the night with you.
You're here to spend the night with well, right here in my house?
Of course.
Here? I'd like to see how this pans out. You know what? I am not going to throw you out of this house. Reasons best known to me. It's okay. So it's fine. You can stay if you want to stay. But while you're here, you will behave yourself.
Mr. Handsome, we are all mature. Anything that is going to happen between us, you will like it. Trust me, you gonna like it.
We'll see about that.
Listen, I actually know what you want. Yes, I know you are here to try your luck. And that is why I've called you here to give you tips.
What tips?
I know you are here to try your luck with Oga. And you also need to know that many ladies have tried and failed.
So, do you know what is wrong with him?
There is nothing wrong with him.
Then why is he not playing with women?
Okay. My Oga is a pilot who travels out every week. It's possible he has a babe outside.
Forget about that thing. He has nobody. But just that he hates anything women.
How sure are you?
I'm very sure.
Let me tell you, I can make you be that woman. Just go in, take your shower, get yourself prepared. Then I'll take you to his room. If he declines, then I can actually come in. I'm actually sexy behind closed doors. You won't understand. Just go and shower, okay? If he fails, I will come in.
Lara, I'm so eager to hear the good news. I know you have one for me.
I'm not even sure if I should call this good news. I mean, considering how determined you've become.
Okay, just tell me. I can take anything.
Well, my husband has agreed to talk to Humphrey.
That's good news. So when am I getting a response?
Soon, I guess.
But you need to follow your husband out.
Listen, my dear. You need to understand that we are talking about a matter of the heart. And it has to do with emotions. But not to worry. I will talk to my husband on your behalf. In fact, I will compel him to work on your behalf. Okay?
Thank you.
But, girlfriend, you need to be calming down.
Thank you, Lara. I am calm, okay?
Are you?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure?
I am, Lara.
Like this?
Yes.
You are calm.
Yes.
Are you saying you slept on the same bed with him and he didn't touch you?
Exactly. I wore the most seductive nightwear. I used the most expensive perfume with good fragrance. But all to no avail.
You should have tried to engage him since he's not bulging.
I touched him. I romanced him. But you know what? He didn't achieve even a second erection.
Then there's a big problem.
exactly what I'm thinking. It's either his manhood is not functioning or he's a homosexual.
No, you won't say that about my son.
But what's the problem?
I know him in and out. You wouldn't say that.
Maybe he has a spiritual wife.
Excuse me. Please.
Hello.
Eh?
You see that woman inside there? I don't like her.
Andy, why would you say such a thing? Huh? Has there ever been a girl you liked?
Why are you calling a girl? Eh? You are calling a woman a girl. She is a mother. I don't even know what Oga sees in her. I don't. Nah, you're not time you see. Eh?
God, for crying out loud. Don't tell me you are one of those people who will condemn a woman just because she has a child. God, what do you know, man now? Eh? I am waiting for Oga to miss her, then I will come in.
You will come in as how? Eh? Is something wrong with you? Eh, Paul? So, you have sworn that you must go after every woman that comes to visit Oga?
Is it my fault? Since Oga don't want to get married, I'll continue trying my luck. See, you never can tell. If I will get married before Oga, then I will invite him for my wedding as the father of the day.
And you want to get married before your Oga, and you are going after every woman that is looking for him? Eh? Don't tell me what will happen to all the girls you have been handling. All the girls you have been dealing with. Each thinking what will happen to them?
They are low lives. Yes, now that's what I'm looking for, you know. Cool girls with connection, high class. I don't want the girl that will be giving me bills every time. Give me money, give me money. I want girls that will be giving me. Eh? Yes, now. That's the deal. Look at me. Do I have anything?
Polo.
Huh?
You are sick. Very sick.
I'm sick. No problem. Accepted. I am waiting for Oga to run empty trip. Then I will load my bus and I will carry the woman. If you see me, Niro Lebena hustle passenger, you will dash me money. Let me tell you, Andy, I loved that girl with
woman. I love that woman.
Girl.
Woman.
Girl.
Woman.
Girl, okay, mom, we find them again.
You see the woman?
A girl.
A woman.
Girl.
Humphrey.
Yeah.
You have to be very careful with those ladies. Any mistake on your part will simply mean a forced marriage.
I know. That's why I'm being very careful. I know.
Good. Someone wants to meet with you.
Who?
Annie.
Who's Annie? Why does she want to meet with me?
Annie's my wife's friend. Maybe when you meet with her, you surely find out why she wants to meet with you.
No, I'm not doing it. Jay, please, no hookups, please. It's not, it's not my style. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know, but please do this for my sake, because my wife believes I'm the one who can pull this through. If not for anything, at least for the sake of my wife. Please.
This one time I'll do it.
Thanks, man. I owe you a bottle of champagne.
Ah, really?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Straight to the bar.
Straight to the bar, no problem.
Yeah.
Champagne.
Don't ask me to calm down. Don't ask me to calm down. You have nothing to explain to me.
Why are you always hard on me, Mom?
Because you've chosen to ridicule me.
How?
Why didn't you tell me you had problem all along? Why didn't you tell me you had problem with your manhood? What? Oh yes, that you can't achieve erection.
That's not true, Mom. Where did you get that from?
You know I am saying the truth. I am your mother. Momoli! I carried you in this room completely 9 months. I watched you grow under my care. It takes me nothing to dictate when something is wrong with you. Well, in this case, mother, you have detected wrongly because I am fine. I'm okay. If you insist you're not having problem with your manhood, that means you are into homosexual activities. Oh, yes.
Mom.
Don't mommy me. Don't mommy me. What have I done? What have I done to deserve this? What? Okay, am I asking for too much? Am I asking for too much than saying give me grandchildren? You're my only surviving son. The least you could do is give me a grandchild. Am I asking for too much?
Okay, Mom, well, first and foremost, I am not gay. I am not planning on becoming one. Now that we're here, I might as well just tell you my truth and what's been going on. I don't intend to get married, Mother.
What?
I have a temper. I cannot contain their excesses. I can't live like that. Sorry, Mother. I, therefore, have decided that I would find me a decent young girl who is willing to get into a contract with me. I pay her, she bears me children. I take my kids and she leaves, and I you know.
Abomination! Abomination! Allah! Don't let that come out of your mouth again. That's an abomination! Hey!
I'm sorry, Mother, but that's my truth, and I'm afraid nothing can change that decision.
Hey! Hey! My enemy at work. They want to bring down Ilo's family. They want to bring down our family. Hello! Hey! Hey! Hey!
So was your husband able to talk to Humphrey? Yes, he did. What did he say? Actually, lucky girlfriend. Humphrey has agreed to have a date with you.
Really? I can't wait to sit and talk with him.
Girlfriend, calm down.
I am calm. My ears are just itching to hear the good news, so tell me.
Listen, Annie. You have to understand that Humphrey is a very busy man.
I know.
But he has agreed to make out time for the outing. But then, what about Chris and Kingsley? Yeah.
Please. They're not serious. At this stage of my life, what I need is a man that will take me as his wife, not someone who just wants me for sex.
Annie,
Yes.
I'm very happy to hear you say these things. That means sense of responsibility is beginning to filter into your head. I'm happy for you, girlfriend.
My darling, you can say that again. It is called growth.
High five.
Hello. Hello, Jeremy. I'm really sorry to disturb you, but we need to see. No, I'm not at home, but I'll be home shortly. No, you don't need to come today because it's getting late. Let's see tomorrow then. Okay.
Yes, come in.
Sir.
Yes, Paul.
I've served your dinner.
Food, eh?
Yes, sir.
I'm not hungry.
Why now? So you've not eaten anything all day?
Yeah, not in the mood for food.
Try and eat something.
You know what?
Sir.
When I'm hungry and I feel like eating something, I'd let you know. You'll make it for me. But for now, whatever it is you've made, you can share with Andy. That's okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Whenever I call you, you walk like a big man. Sit down, let's eat.
Hey, are you okay? Yeah? Paul, so this thing you are smoking has gotten to the extent that you want to lose your job. Eh? Or you have another job elsewhere. Okay. You want me to lose my job also? It will not work for you. How do you mean I should sit and let's eat?
I said, sit and let us eat. And don't tell me you are allergic to eating good food. What can you allergic to eating
good food? Oga's food. Served in Oga's plate. You are asking me to sit down and let's eat. Yeah? See, your plan will not work. That's your plan. It will not work. I'm not sitting anywhere.
Okay. For your information, Oga has blessed us with this food. He said we should demolish it the way we like.
Are you sure?
Are you sitting or not?
No, tell me yes. Oga asked us to.
My fam, I'm on so I know I go see near. Devil run away. Niggas don't come.
What the serious? What the serious? Oga asked us.
Like
Oga is a jolly good fellow.
But if I say that again. If I say that again.
Whenever Oga is around there, everyone will be lively.
I meant to tell you as a small. Open your mouth. You are trying to receive Holy Communion.
Down. Oh. It's because of me that Oga asked us to eat this food.
Only half. Only the Oga. People will go talk. Oga will come sack me and you.
If we talk now, I'll go straight and tell Oga that I've been pursuing all the guests that are coming here. He will ask you to leave this food for me. Just shut up and eat this food.
Thank you. I was the one that came to call you.
I understand the kind of schedule you run, how tight your business commitment is. But honestly, there is nothing stopping you from making out time for family fun. Nothing.
Honey, please, stop complaining. I'll give you all the time.
I know. But if you improve on your commitment towards this union, it will be better. I know you love me, but I need you to love me more.
It's okay. If you feel I'm not doing well enough, then I promise you I will improve. Hold on. Humphrey. Hello, when you're still awake.
No, Jay. I've been thinking of something.
Thinking about what?
I'm not used to things like this. Okay, this is it. I've been thinking that you set me up with Anne for dinner this weekend.
Okay, I will speak with her, and I believe she will have chance to do that.
Okay, cool. I mean, we'll try it and see how it goes. If it goes well, we'll get properly acquainted, and the flight can take off from there.
It's okay. I will speak with her first thing tomorrow morning.
Thank you, Jay. And one more thing, please. After you're done speaking with her, can you please send me her number so that I can,
All right. I will do that. All right. Have a pleasant night rest.
Yeah. Humphrey. Yeah, whatever.
Humphrey wants to go on a date with Annie?
Honestly. From look of things, I believe everything is going to work out fine.
This is good news.
First thing first, you have to ask Annie to come around. I have to put her through on how she's going to handle Humphrey. Okay?
Settled. She will be here first thing tomorrow morning. Trust me.
All right, so
thank you.
Where did you stop?
Right now, I don't want to talk about that again.
Are you sure?
No.
Sure?
I don't want to talk about it
Come
again.
on. Climb here, let me lift you to the room.
Oh. Hi.
I'm so sorry. I hope I didn't keep you waiting for too long.
Not at all.
You know what they say now, You don't keep a beautiful woman waiting.
Yeah, no.
You look good.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. Okay, you have a call?
Yeah. Excuse me.
It's okay. Okay, so I see that you didn't place orders yet. You're not taking anything.
No. I was actually waiting for you so we could drink together.
Is that so?
Yes.
Okay, how nice of you. So let's see. What would you like? Oh, okay. Call's coming through again.
Not someone important. Just forget.
Why are you not taking that call?
He's not someone important.
The person keeps calling.
Just forget about it.
Very unimportant people don't keep calling.
Just forget about it. He's not important.
Same thing you're going to say to him when you're with him and my call comes through.
Excuse me?
He's still calling.
Just forget about him.
Of course, I will forget about this. This is a terrible idea. I can't do this.
Humphrey, wait! Humphrey, wait! It's not what you think. God.